Keto-friendly pork Tocino recipe, a delicious, low-carb Filipino classic. Embarking on a ketogenic diet doesn't mean you have to give up on your favorite dishes, especially when it comes to the rich and savory flavors of Filipino cuisine. Pork Tocino, a staple Filipino breakfast, is traditionally made with a sweet marinade that's high in sugar. Understanding pork Tocino. Tocino is a Filipino delicacy, typically made from pork belly or pork shoulder. Traditional Tocino recipes use sugar for curing and marinating the meat, which is not suitable for a ketogenic diet. The key to a keto-friendly version lies in replacing high-carb ingredients with low-carb alternatives while maintaining the dish's essential flavors. Choosing the right ingredients. The meat should ideally be pork belly or shoulder, known for their higher fat content, which is suitable for a keto diet. Instead of sugar, we'll use a keto-friendly sweetener like erythritol or stevia. These sweeteners have the sweetness needed for the Tocino's flavor profile but don't add the carbs that sugar does. Ingredients: 1. 2 pounds of pork belly or pork shoulder, thinly sliced. 2. 3 tablespoons of keto-friendly sweetener, erythritol or stevia. 3. 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar. 4. 1 tablespoon of salt. 5. 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper. 6. 4 cloves of garlic, minced. 7. 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, or a low-carb soy sauce alternative. 8. Optional, 1 teaspoon of annatto powder for color. 9. Optional, ½ teaspoon of red pepper flakes for a spicy kick. Making keto pork Tocino. 1. Prepare the marinade. In a large bowl, combine the keto-friendly sweetener, apple cider vinegar, salt, black pepper, minced garlic, and soy sauce. If you're using annatto powder for color, add it now. For a spicy version, include the red pepper flakes. 2. Marinate the meat. Add the pork slices to the marinade, ensuring each piece is well coated. Cover the bowl and refrigerate the marinated pork for at least 3 hours, preferably overnight, for the flavors to fully penetrate the meat. 3. Cook the Tocino. When ready to cook, remove the pork from the refrigerator and let it sit at room temperature for about 30 minutes. Heat a non-stick skillet over medium heat and cook the pork slices in batches. 4. Serve and enjoy. Your keto pork Tocino is now ready to be served. It pairs beautifully with keto-friendly sides like cauliflower rice or a fresh vegetable salad. For a traditional Filipino breakfast experience, serve it with a side of fried eggs. Tips for perfect keto pork Tocino. Adjusting sweetness. Feel free to adjust the amount of sweetener based on your taste preference. Remember, the goal is to mimic the traditional Tocino's sweet profile while keeping it keto-friendly. Storing for later. This Tocino can be stored in the refrigerator for up to a week or frozen for longer periods. Alternative cooking methods. You can also grill the Tocino for an added smoky flavor, or cook it in an air fryer for a less oily version. This keto pork Tocino recipe brings the delightful flavors of Filipino cuisine to your ketogenic diet. By making smart ingredient swaps, you can enjoy this classic dish without compromising your dietary goals.